Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Morning Star in Terraria. This powerful flail is a highly sought-after weapon for melee builds. To acquire it, you'll need to participate in a specific in-game event. We'll cover the steps to initiate this event, and the enemies you'll need to defeat to have a chance at obtaining this fantastic item. Let's dive into the details. Before you can get your hands on the Morning Star, you'll need to prepare for the Pumpkin Moon event. First, gather the necessary materials to craft a Pumpkin Moon medallion. You'll need 10 hallowed bars, 30 pumpkins, and 5 ectoplasm. Once crafted, use the medallion at night to summon the event. Be ready for a challenging fight. During the Pumpkin Moon event, your primary goal is to defeat the Pumpkin Boss. This boss has a chance to drop the Morning Star. The higher the wave you reach in the event, the greater your chances of obtaining the weapon. Equip your best gear, focus your attacks on the pumpkin, and try to survive as many waves as possible to maximize your opportunities. To maximize your chances of getting the Morning Star, consider farming the Pumpkin Moon event multiple times. Each successful run gives you another opportunity for the drop. You can also try to increase your in-game luck with various buffs or items. Remember, persistence is key. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.